So this is one of our first free response style questions, at least for the even numbers. Let me get the directions up here. It says, directions, type your answer into the box. So as you look at this question, you're not going to get any assistance from really anything. You know, there's no answer choices you can plug in. You just have to provide your answer. So the figure shows Jn and Km intersecting at point L. So Jn and Km at point L. What value of x proves that Jk is parallel to Mn? So we're asked about the parallel nature of these two lines. Now, when we talk about parallel lines, we normally like to talk about a transversal. So we actually have two. We have this one right here, Mk, and we also have Jn, which are both transversals. You could answer this problem using either of them, and I'll kind of talk about how you would do that. If I take Jn and I draw this transversal, the two triangles I have pictured have two angles that are on Jn. We have this angle right here, and we have this angle right here. And for my lines to be parallel, this small angle and this small angle must be equal, which means angle N, as pictured, must be 3x plus 5. If you picked the other transversal, you would be able to take your 61 degrees and put it over here. And inside my triangles, I only have one thing that's missing, and that's this angle over here on the right. But you might notice that it is vertical to this angle on the left, so this is 39 degrees. To answer this question, you would look at either of your triangles. I think the left one might have been easier because you only had to put in one piece of information. And you would say that the three items inside of the triangle add to 180 degrees. So we would have 61 plus 39 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 180. To solve this equation, we might take all of our numbers and combine them. 61 and 39 makes it even 100. 105 plus 3x is equal to 180. We need to get rid of our number so that we have our variable term alone. So we would subtract 105. And we'd have 3x is equal to 75. Our final step would be to divide by 3. Pardon the saws. And we get x is equal to 25. So that's our answer. You would type 25 into the box. You could have a decimal point. You could have a 0. Make sure when you're typing answers into the box that you look at what was typed. If you try and type 25.0, there's a chance that it won't let you type the decimal point, and it'll look like you typed 250, which would be wrong. Make sure you type in exactly what it's asking for. Answer is 25.